Sino ba ang ideal coach nyo? Sige nga. Okay, ito. Genie of the lamp. Meron kang gustong coach na i-attract. Anong katangian meron siya? Ang gusto mo?
Authenticity.
Authentic.
Perfect
Okay.
self-expression.
PSE, perfect self-expression. Anyone else? Ano?
Honest.
Honest, na pagka mali ginawa mo, sasabihin. Pero pag nagkamali ka, sabihin, okay na. Meron bang ganitong tao? Sino? Dinamay na naman natin si God. Sige. Huwag po natin siya idamay. Notice, the word is ideal. But what's the truth? There's no such thing. Now, why did I talk about this? Kasi I don't want you to have a misinterpretation of the idea na pag ikaw yung coach, dapat perfect ka. Kasi pagka ganito ang ideal coach mo, ano yung normal tendency? Dapat ganito ako lahat. Seasonal ang buhay eh. May season na hayahay ka, ganda ng buhay. What if down season ka ngayon? Na lahat nangyayari sa buhay mo, hindi maganda. Does that mean hindi ka na pwedeng coach? So, dito binabasag po agad yung idea na your coaches are perfect. So that, by the time ikaw naman yung coach, you give yourself the compassion that pwede ka rin magkamali.